video is to explain how to use the ALEKS platform for your assignments in Math 1001. When you first log into ALEKS through D2L, this is the home page you will land on. This page includes information about your PI, which corresponds to some of your introductory assignments. It includes your Up Next section, which is your assignments that are coming up soon. And it also has this menu in the top left that will help you find everything else. Start by clicking on this menu. For your introductory assignments, you will spend most of your time in this Learn section. The Learn section is where you work on your PI problems. This drop-down arrow, if we click it, we see this carousel, and this is all of the topics that we have left to complete in our Unit 1 PI. I can click on this drop-down up here to see the rest of the units. I notice that these are locked. If you have not finished the current PI, it will make you work on the things you need to work on first before moving forward. So I will stay in the Unit 1 PI. I can do these in any order I want in this carousel, except notice some of them are locked. If they are locked, it lets you know what you need to complete first before you can work on that topic. So when we work on a topic, we choose it, we click on it, and then we remove the carousel, and we work on the problem. Notice on the side there are some helpful things. Here we can click on a video to help us understand this topic. We can click here to get access to the ebook. This is a dictionary to define some of the terms you may see. You can also click on any word that has a link, and it will give you the dictionary there as well. This is the message center. This is how you can send a direct message to your instructor, and it will send them a screenshot of what you're working on. And this is if you'd like to print. So this is our learning page first. It will explain the situation, explain the topic, and then you click Start, and you work on the topic. This is asking me to write 0.5 as a fraction in simplest form. That is 1/2. I will enter that, and I click Check. And notice it gives me one green bar up here. Your goal for the introductory is to make sure you fill up each one of these all the way. Fill your bar up all the way, and it will count that topic as learned. If you miss a question, it might take you back. But then once you get a few right in a row, it will consider the topic learned. The next thing we'll look at is where you'll access your homework. Your homework will be done during the project weeks of Math 1001. We'll click over here on the menu and then click on Assignments. There is one homework assignment for each unit. So for Unit 1 homework, I can click right here. It tells me that I need to finish it or save it for later before I can do anything else. It lets me know my due date and how many attempts I have and how many questions there are. So I'll click Start. And this is what the homework looks like. I can skip around from question to question. I don't have to go in order. And I have some links on the side for some guided solutions and some examples to help me get through the homework. For your homework, you have an unlimited number of attempts on each problem, and you can attempt the entire assignment as much as you need to until you feel comfortable with all the material. I'm going to save this for later. Always click Save for Later if you're not done. And I'll go back to my assignment list. So it lets me know that I've started Unit 1. I'll take note of my due date to make sure I finish it before that day. Now I'm going to go back to my menu. Some other things that are helpful. It's nice to know your gradebook. So I'll click on Gradebook. This is where I'll see all of my grades for my PI topics and my homework assignments. I haven't completed any yet, so I don't have anything here, but those will show up once you've completed your assignments. And remember, you can attempt the homework as many times as you want until the deadline. Going back up here, I'm going to click on Textbook in my menu and then click on Ebook. This is where you'll have access to your book. You'll notice in your introductory written activities, it will reference certain pages and sections of the book. This is how you get to your book. So we are starting in chapter 6, so I had that pulled up. You can go to the drop-down menu to go to different parts of Chapter 6, different sections. You can scroll down to read. Notice as you're reading the book and looking through it, there's lots of examples. I'm going to go to the first section of Chapter 6. Notice there are lecture videos you can click on to help you as you read through. And you'll notice in your written assignments, sometimes it will reference certain examples and you'll need to go to those to look. You can also click here at the top and put in a page number directly. Now I'll go back to my home screen. Now, since I started that Unit 1 homework, it has popped up to let me know that I need to finish it, and I can click on my assignment list as well. But this is how we can navigate ALEKS and find all the things we need.